Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. I thought I would share this idea here with from Daily FX, understanding the profit in falling markets, specifically short selling basics. What I'm finding is there's some, I don't know if I can say for sure, either I'm not with it on this concept or there may be monkey business going on with my particular broker, and I'm sure a lot of you know who that could be. For instance, if you are expecting to make money on trades that are falling in profit or going negative, when you're shorting, you would expect profit, but I don't find that in some of the reports that I'm seeing, and I'm very confused by that. So here's what I was thinking of doing. Maybe to make my strategy more workable, only have a strategy that longs only or buys only. So when you do shorting, obviously you're doing when you're shorting, you're selling in the forex market. So this article explains in detail how it works in the world of stock, but in essence, there seems to be a lot of questionable things that brokers could do when you short in the forex world, was let's say more corrupt brokers. So I'm just going to read it out to you from this article. I'm looking for your comments. If you plan to comment on YouTube, that's cool. Usually I'll get some morons that will just, do the classic insulting. So don't worry, I do read them, but I just delete them because it's not worth engaging with. But if you got more thoughtful, respectful commentary, I'll gladly engage on it. Just let me know what you think here. So again, this article is found on dailyfx.com, and the article is Profit in Falling Markets, Short Selling Basics. So this is what they do. First of all, each currency is provided as a two-sided transaction. That means if you're selling euro, US dollar currency pair, you're not only selling euro, but you're buying dollars. If you buy British pound, Japanese yen currency pair, or GBP, JPY, you're buying British pounds and selling Japanese yen. Because of this, no borrowing needs to take place to enable a short sale. As a matter of fact, quotes are provided in very easy to read format that makes short selling more simplistic. So if you want to sell Euro USD, you click on the side of the quote that says sell. After you're sold to close a position, you'll want to buy the same amount, hopefully at a lower price, allowing for profit on the trade. So I think that's the key right there. You could also choose to close a partial portion of the trade. Let's walk through an example. Let's assume we initiated a short position of 100K, sold at Euro USD when a price was 129. Let's assume the price has moved quite a bit lower. The trader's point has the opportunity to realize a profit on the trade. But let's assume for a moment that our trader expected further declines and did not want to close the entire position. Rather, they wanted to close half the position and attempt to bank the profit while still retaining the ability to bank further on the remainder of the position. And you can do this in my broker with, we know it's Duca's copy. The trader that is short 100K Euro USD can click on the buy side of the currency quote to begin the trade closing price of 50K. After clicking on OK, our trader has bought 50K Euro USD, offsetting half of the 100 short position that was previously held. Now the question becomes, if that's the case, how do we know? I'm not saying Duca's copy does this. For me, it's a mystery, but could be user instead of broker. That is the issue. But if you are with a corrupt broker, what's the guarantee that any corrupt broker won't be monkeying or manipulating these type of trade positions? Our trader at that point, we have realized price difference on half the trade, 50K, from their 129 to the lower price that they were able to close on. And this is the problem, is that when you close on, usually brokers will say, no, you close on here, so you lose. Instead, when you initially wanted to close, in this case, at 129. The remainder of the trade would continue in the market until the trader decided to buy another 50K to offset the rest of the position. So I'm hoping that helps you out. It can get complicated when you try to short. A couple of comments I'm looking for. Do you guys do shorting in your automated trading, or do you even do shorting in forex trading with even manual trading or discretionary? Let me know what you think, and that's what the kind of answer I'm looking for. Over and out. Talk to you later.